So your fiancé visa was denied, and you're thinking of filing a spouse visa now in hopes that that will be approved. Hi, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples, and my firm is dedicated exclusively to helping couples across the nation and across the world navigating the U.S. immigration process. Please be sure to select the subscribe button below so you are notified when I post new videos on this YouTube channel. So I regularly post important updates and information as it relates to the world of immigration for couples that you won't want to miss. And my firm also hosts a weekly live attorney chat. So if you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, or also if you follow our Facebook page, Immigration for Couples, you will be notified when we host those live chats. Those happen every week, and it's an opportunity for you to ask me your questions live. So let's dive into this particular question. I've actually received this question quite a few times on prior live events that I've hosted, is that individuals will say, hey, unfortunately, my fiance and I, we filed the fiance visa. He or she went to their interview and they were denied. So I've read online, I've read in all these groups that we should just get married and we should just file the spouse visa, that will fix everything, that is somehow a magic solution. And I'm not sure where that rumor started, but it's everywhere. I hear it a lot, and it's really concerning because that's actually not the truth. If the fiancé visa was denied, getting married and filing a spouse visa is not going to solve any underlying issues. The first step is to look at, why was the fiancé visa denied in the first place? Was it denied because immigration does not think that you have a real relationship? There wasn't enough evidence. Perhaps when the immigrant went to the fiancé visa interview, they answered some questions incorrectly, important information that they should know, and the consular officer thought, it doesn't seem like this is a real relationship. So is that why it was denied? Because immigration doesn't think that relationship is real? Or was it denied because that immigrant beneficiary is not actually eligible? Maybe he or she has some issues in their immigration history and they need a waiver. That can happen a lot. If there was a prior tourist visa application, perhaps, that was denied for incorrect or false fraudulent information. Maybe that individual had overstayed a visa in the US before. There's a lot of different reasons why a person might be ineligible to receive the fiancé visa. Some of them have a waiver that you can ask for, a waiver of forgiveness, and other problems in an immigration history aren't able to be solved. So that's the second piece. Was it denied because of an eligibility issue? And then the last thing that I like to look at, that's important to look at rather, is, was the case just denied because there wasn't enough evidentiary support in terms of you did not have all of the required evidence? You have to take the petitioner's tax returns. The petitioner has to meet the income requirements. You have to take your police background check from any country you've lived for more than 6 months, and the list goes on. Sometimes a case is denied because you just didn't have all of the evidence that was required. So as you can see, there's a lot of different reasons why a fiancé visa would be denied. And so it's so important to understand why it was denied. There might be an option to still save that fiancé visa case to fix those underlying problems and still have the case be approved. Or if you were to move forward with a spouse visa, it's important to understand that just filing the spouse visa is not going to fix any of those problems that I just mentioned. So it is key that you get to the root, get to the heart of why that fiancé visa case was denied before you start filing anything else with immigration. If you are in this situation, if you're needing help with this, I invite you to schedule a consultation with our legal team. I'd be happy to meet with you to talk about your situation and talk about options and next steps. I also invite you to check out our free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. We have tons of free resources, whether you're just starting out or in the middle of your immigration journey. Thanks so much for watching.